Image sensing and acquisition. Sensor arrangements are used to transform illumination energy into digital images. Image creation is based on two factors: illumination source, reflection or absorption. Illumination source or reflection of energy from that source by the elements of the scene being image. Image acquisition. Digital image acquisition is the creation of digital images, such as of a physical scene or of the interior structure of an object. The term is often assumed to imply or include the processing, compression, storage, printing, and display of such images. Image sensing. Image sensors used to convert optical image to electrical signals. It is used in imaging systems and digital cameras. Image acquisition using a single sensor. The most common sensor of this type is the photodiode, which is constructed of silicon materials and whose output voltage waveform is proportional to light. The use of a filter in front of a sensor improves selectivity. This is one of the ways to obtain high-resolution images. Other similar mechanical arrangements use a flatbed, with the sensor moving on two different linear directions. These types of mechanical digitizers are sometimes referred to as micro-densitometers. Image acquisition using sensor strips. A geometry that is used much more frequently than single sensors consists of an inline arrangement of sensors in the form of a sensor strip. The strip provides imaging elements in one direction. Motion perpendicular to the strip provides imaging in the other direction. This is the type of arrangement used in most flatbed scanners. Sensing devices with 4,000 or more inline sensors are possible. Inline sensors are used routinely in airborne imaging applications, in which the imaging system is mounted on an aircraft that flies at a constant altitude and speed over the geographical area to be imaged. One-dimensional imaging sensor strips that respond to various bands of the electromagnetic spectrum are mounted perpendicular to the direction of flight. The imaging strip gives one line of an image at a time, and the motion of the strip completes the other dimension of a two-dimensional image. Lenses or other focusing schemes are used to project the area to be scanned onto the sensors. Sensor strips mounted in a ring configuration are used in medical and industrial imaging to obtain cross-sectional or slice images of 3D objects. A rotating X-ray source provides illumination, and the portion of the sensors opposite the source collects the X-ray energy that passes through the object. The sensors obviously have to be sensitive to X-ray energy. This is the basis for medical